use Shipt same-day delivery to stay connected with my sister during the holidays. She lives across the country. Shipt has tons of stores to order from. Groceries from Albertsons, crafts from Michael's, even pet supplies from PetSmart. The list goes on. So when we have long-distance movie nights, I turn to Shipt to get face masks, snacks, and everything else we need delivered to her and to me same day. Download the app or visit shipt.com.
Yo, 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 yo. Yo, chat, and I hear me loud and clear. Let me see if my mic will work. Yo, good, we're good, we're good. Today I Friday. So yeah, chat, live today on Friday. I just try to end off a week strong. You see me? But yeah, we have news today. I think we have news today as well. Yeah, we have news at 10. We have some red folders. But we're gonna just get straight in the analysis. If we don't get nothing, voice are going. If we don't get a trade like anywhere from like now up to like 9:30, we're most likely gonna just wait until 10 a.m. Once the red folder forward up, then we take advantage of the leftover volume. Because I don't trade the news itself, chat. Usually wait until news forward out, and then once we get the news spike, I take advantage of the leftover volume, like 5 minutes after news or something like that. But yeah, probably like most likely that I could go on. But we are running the analysis and get some levels markup chat, so what we can do for the day. We're gonna start from the monthly time frame as usual, and bear in mind chat, I don't do any like markup on the monthly time frame. I just always take a look at the higher time frame every morning just so I can have an understanding. That's it. But yeah, this monthly candle print a low 4160. Now flip back bullish. Where's the high? 4270. Drop down to the weekly. Basically the same thing. Weekly candle low. Yeah. I think we print a low first. No, we did print a high first. Hold on, let me say some. This like the monthly candle high right there. We have low. I think this is the monthly candle low. Yeah, and the weekly low as well. Alright. So chat, this monthly candle, we open up, we print a high first. After we print a high, price print a low, and now we flip back bullish. So basically, in this monthly time frame, open up, think price push up first, push back down, print a low. So this is our price basically do. And now we're kind of ranging right around the candle flip. So basically what that means, chat, we're probably gonna need liquidity. Or most likely gonna need liquidity even if we're gonna push up, because I would expect this monthly candle to push up, chat. But if we push up, we print a high, then we print a low, and now we'll start to range at the candle flip area. Most likely you would see like a steeper low, like a fake out, like something like this, chat. Even if price gonna push up, it would just push straight up. It would like print a low. Once we re-break the lows, then you will see the candle like close above the range, and then we'll push up, retest. So like something like this, chat, we're probably gonna need like a low like this since price a range, and vice versa. Like if price open up and price push up first and break the highs, once it push back down into the range, you would expect you would expect some sells go down towards the low, something like this, chat. Price just pop straight up first, break the highs, and then close back into the range. You would expect some sells go down towards 58 levels. No, this is the monthly time frame. Just basically like break down the monthly time frame, chat. Would you look for sells based off the monthly time frame idea? We're not going to do that. I'm just breaking it down so I have an understanding of the higher time frame. But this don't have like nothing to do with like the trade we're going to take today. It's just like the overall direction and the higher time frame. But yeah, chat, we're going to drop down, and basically the weekly is the same thing, same highs, same low. So we're going to drop down to like the weekly. Yeah, it's the same thing, chat. We'll just break down on the monthly. Drop down to the daily. Now we get some more information on the daily time frame. So this was the high. After we print a high, the monthly candle flip, and as I said, the weekly candle is the same. So we flip, we push down, we print a low, price print another high, and after we print a high, we close bullish, respecting, close weak bullish, doji. We print a low first, close back into the range, and now the current candle print another low, and then we fill the range. So this is the thing, chat. Now that we fill the range, I'm not sure if like the low and the current daily candle, or if the low at 90, the low at 59, I'm not sure if this is enough to push price up and break out the range. Now that we fill the range, this might be it. You might see a next candle open up, print a mini top wick, and then we flip bearish and we fill the range like something like this. See ya. Let me remove some of the lines so I don't get too confused. Yeah, let's see, like the candle push up chart, break the highs, and after we break the highs, we'll close back into the range. Something like this, but we basically look for that on like a smaller time frame. And if this will happen, chat, basically if we print a high, close back below the range, that basically mean we need a steeper low. This is not enough to push price up and break the highs. So if we should take sells, like once price close below, we take sells in like the middle of the range, I would say we have clean range going down towards the rebreak of the candle lows to the left. These lows over here, price should be able to push down and rebreak that. So that's like the idea. That's like the idea I have on the daily time frame. But yeah, let me delete everything, delete that, and we're gonna drop down to like to the 4-hour time frame. And basically chat vice versa, because this candle we not have to push up first and break the highs. We could literally start reject, break the lows, and then we push up. So it's like either way it will still make sense. And we drop down to like the 4-hour time frame. So what the 4-hour time frame doing? So notice we have a little range after range. Yeah, price push down first after we tap the monthly. This is the monthly candle high. We push down, print a little range right here, print a fake out. After price print a fake out, we close below the range, then we start to push back up into the range. But yeah, chap, but like this is the level we close below. Like we have like a level right here. I'm gonna put that a little bit higher, 41.80, and this price close below, and this candle right here will close below. But this is what I'm saying though, I'm not sure if this is enough, chat, for this truck that you just push straight up and break out of the range. So that's what we're gonna like try to figure out, if this low is enough. And as I said earlier, if this is not enough, you will see price push up, print a top wick, flip bearish, close back into the range. And once that happens, then we can look for sells going down. So push up, print a high, flip bearish. Once we close below the range chart, we could look for sells going down towards the low. This low that we failed for close above the range from earlier. This low right here. Or even this low. But yeah, that's how I look at the 4-hour time frame. We're gonna drop down to like the hourly, see what the hourly time frame look like. Hourly. Let me see something real quick. I'm gonna use some historical data. Barely have freaking range to the left. So you only can go print a low after we print a high. Man, this look clean, chat. Once we get a closure back above, buys going up would be decent. Alright, so chat. In the past, as you can see, look like right here. So we have a level like 85, 41.85. That's basically where price top just now. Can say we top 85, or we actually break 85. Yeah, we break 85, but this is the thing though, chat. Every time we break this level, price was able to push back up above 42.65. We should be able to break this level, chat, break this high. But let me see though, cause the thing is how we're gonna go up towards this level. Well, I'm gonna show you. So you see, in the past, price tapped this level, we push up, we print another low at 22 levels, 42.22, print another high, another low, then we break out the range. This was a candle that break out, and we continue up. So let me see, a break of 42.78 in the past when price break above this level was able to continue up. So this is like, let me see the range, by the way. What's the range? 300, 400. Damn, it's like, yeah, we're gonna still work with it. The range kind of massive, chat, but we're gonna still work with it. So look, once we break the highs, chat, so we have this right here at 44, not 44, 64. Price push up, break the highs. Would look for any buy above like the first break at the highs. No, we're gonna need to see price push up after we break the highs and close above 42.83. Once we get a closure above this level, then the buys going up would be decent, chat. So I'm looking for buys above 83 to go up towards 40 levels, because this is the next closest resistance right here. So yeah, hopefully that not too confusing, and basically I just use historical data, chat. Price top 42 and then reject down towards 59, and in the past, when that happened in the past, price was able to push up and fill the range. Is in my chat. So that's why I'm basically use this. Alright, let me get so let me just not even remove them, let me hide them. Use this. Yeah, right, so I have a level right there. I have another level at 42.28, and we have another level at 42.60. Alright, so chat, as you can see, basically we print a high first, because price was in a downtrend. We start to push up, we print a high, we tap 60, then price reject. It was the same thing that happened over here. After we print a high, tap this level, price was able to reject. So since we reject, it's all about this structure. You see this structure right here, chat? If we can manage to close above 29 levels and push up towards 42.60, once we get a closure above this level, or no, sorry, not 42.60. Once we get like a range to breakout above 42.60, then the buys going up would be decent. So like, I look for buys above like 42.80. Yeah, 42.83.44. That level, I look for buys above there. But yeah, chat, hopefully you guys understand that. So yeah, right, so let me use the other one. We'll say about right, so anything above this level, chat, would be decent to continue up. But yeah, I think that's the hourly or the 4. We don't even have news. As yet, chat. We have news in 9x 2 hour. RX 0130. But yeah, chat, that's basically how we look at the hourly. I think that was the hourly, right? That was the 4. Alright, let me just hurry up and get this over with. We drop down to the 30-minute time frame. Basically the same idea, chat. Same idea. We already print a low. In the past, this low was able to push us straight up above 83. So we're going to see if we actually can close above the range minimum. Once we get a closure above like 50, like 42.65, then we would expect some volume. We would look for buys as yet. We'll wait until we get a closure above 83. But yeah, everything look decent. And for the sales them chat, would I need for see like we price break the highs first before I take any type of sell position. But the sales would be within the range though. Like if we're gonna look for sales, it would most likely be within this range. Like once we break this low, we could look for sales going down towards here. 42 levels. So that most likely would be like the idea for sales. But before we enter sales, once price close below, before we get sales, I would expect price to push up first, break the highs, and then flip and close below. So if this happen, chat, then I'd look to take sales once we get the closure below and a top wick. Yeah. So that would be like the idea for the sales, but either way, we need to push up first. We need like liquidity. So yeah, chat. Hopefully I understand like the idea. But yeah, so these are like the higher time frame. Let me just remove them off right now. So these are like the higher time frame levels, chat, that we're gonna look out for. But I'm going like get some levels mark up from like the 15. Let me see the range going up, by the way. 30 pips, not 30, 300 pips range. 300. But chat, today, if you ask me, today most likely going to be a good day, bro. I kind of like the price action. Price action look decent. Yeah, chat. We could get some levels mark up for like the smaller time frame as well. By the way, what the range going up? 90. Gold range massive in a dog. Everything is like, the range itself is freaking almost 400 pips, bro. What? Not even almost. It's 567 pips. Like, bro. Even when gold is just ranging, the range is massive, bro. But yeah, chat. Based off of how price print, you already know these levels. We're most likely going to adjust them. Most likely. We usually mark up, and after price start print more information, then we adjust. So yeah, most likely I'm going to adjust these levels, chat. We could get buys above. We could get buys above 42, 44 as well. Or no, not 44, 42, 46. We could get buys above this level. But the reason why I don't have it marked up as yet, because it depends on how price push up towards this level, chat. If we start to push up with like structure, then like once price approach this level, we could look for some buys. Not once it approach, but once we get like a second rebreak at the highs and a closure above, we could look for buys above this level. But as I said, chat, I don't have it marked up as yet, but that could be a possibility. It just depends on how price print. The more price print, we just adjust. But for right now, we're going use these levels just for right now. But yeah, chat, that was the breakdown. That was the analysis. I think that was like, that analysis, if you ask me, that wasn't like the best analysis I've done on stream. But that one was like, that analysis was more likely for me still. Cause I know most of them are not going to understand like what I'm talking about. But within time though, chat, within time, like if I just continue to do it, I'm gonna be able to like explain everything better. But if you don't understand, that's how you go. Like when my mentor was teaching me this, I never used to understand either. It took me like, it took me like a month to understand it fully. A month of showing up every day. But chat, I'm not gonna lie, this 4 hour time frame look clean. Like once this candle push up, we're gonna need some rejection. Once we get the rejection closure back above, we should be straight. Let me adjust this right there. Let me remove this from the rebreaker highs. Put that right there so. Look chat, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, chat. We have a level like 85. As you can see in the past, when price top 85 right here, this candle was able to flip bullish and we'll push up. But before we fill the range, we never just push up and fill the range. Before we fill the range, we close bullish. After we close bullish, what the next candle did was we reject once again this chart. Once this candle close bullish above, the next candle will reject. So we never fill the range instantly. So it's the same thing I would expect right here, chat. If this candle push up, close above, I would look for buys same time. I would expect some rejection. As you can see in the past, price was able to reject. So we could even put a level right here. We could even adjust this level, chat, and put this right here. We would expect some rejection down towards 42.35 minimum. At least 42.35. And it would be like a retest as well. It would be a retest sealer. It would be a retest of this level, chat. Think about it. If price push up, we'll close above. The next candle push back down. We're just retesting this support. This is a resistance right now, but once price close above it, the resistance becomes support. So yeah, once that happens, we'll get a closure above. No buys as yet. We want to see the next candle reject. If the next candle reject, then push back up, re-break its highs. That would be my buys going up towards 83. And let me see the range going up, by the way. Let me measure the range going up. 200. Why would I expect that? Range going up is a 200 pip range, chat. Tell you, gold ranges are massive, bro. And gold range is crazy. But yeah, that's like the idea, chat. They'll just play the waiting game and see. Yeah, chat, now just play a waiting game and see. And we have news at 10 though, so most likely, like, if we're not getting a trade in our early part, most likely we're going to just wait until 10 and see if we can get a trade after 10. No, I'm gonna lie. I'm gonna lie, can I? When miss a side, boy, I don't see a crime. Yo, who that? Big I pray. W analysis. Appreciate that, bro. No joke. Hold on, chat. Give me like 2 seconds, chat. I'll be back. Just give me like 2 seconds. Just I pick up something out I do and forward. Yo, say dry pre, bro. They are going normal out there. Just running analysis. They are just a wait to see how goal I move. Like we push up towards 38. I'm gonna see how much that from the flip was. Dang. Bro, I swear, bro. Goal ranges, it just keep on that surprise me. From the flip. You can believe, say, yo, from this can go flip to the can go high, it's almost 100 pips. Or it is 100 pips, bro. That's 100 pip range. I look on it like a small push. Which other appear like this volatile, bro? A meme kind of look. Chat, what do you I'm gonna go for a meme kind, bro? Go look. Bro, oh, what is a freaking volatile? I think gold volatile, bro. I think last week I'm gonna look for some meme kinds, bro. It's like meme kinds and volatile, you fuck. Never trade them still. I just go look what going over there. Let me see some. Mechanical dog safe for dog, yeah, go pull up. Yo, bro. Hold on, chat me a for it. Let's match up this real quick. Still I watch goal though. It's fine, bro. I waste my time, dog. I have better things to do. Like I say, then I jump 25 right now. Shot me, I got shot your 20 gram. Alright, send me it, bro. Think of what that index? I index that though. Yeah, waste money, bro. I dog forward and yeah. So we tap the resistors. Wait, let me see. Oh, I know I index that, you know. They're on the live, bro. Respect for that. Bro, I one view you send me to a dog. I could analyze them. I could take a good look at it, bro. It gone. But respect said way bad, bro. But I can't see it again. It disappeared. Alright, let me see. It's like you wait for liquidity. I'm surprised like we print a fake out, close back into the range and print another high. And the rebreak of the lows. That's where you enter and your stop says above the high. The first rejection. Not the first, but like what at 100 and 130. The level that me I talk about. You know, me never trade index, never trade index yet, bro. But this a trader look clean though. Once price re-break the lows, we should be able to print a newer low. So that means you're gonna be in a profit. But I see that minor resistance there. Probably this where I get some rejection. Like a minor resistance. But yeah, this is a 1 to 2. It look clean, bro. Just make sure you go break even whenever your plan tell you. Look clean, bro. You usually go break even for your trade them, or you just let them play out. Bro, I tell you if you pull up, dog, you keep on it, bro. Tell you if you forward, bad man. Like, you love follow me up, you know. I didn't tell you a thing already, bro. Chat, we just be patient while I wait for setup. You see me? And now force nothing, chat. And we have news at 10 a.m. as well. We have a bunch of red folder forward out. So it should be straight. We just like go and wait. Yo, hold on, let me see. Call dog one more time. I'm gonna end that up. Call him straight. Yeah, yes, man, bro. There's a forward dog. Yeah, yes, man. Oh, me I love hold on. You know, me just remember. I be a vibes in this, be a vibes in this. I'm gonna see how close by the way. I'm lucky. So chat, we close bullish. Yeah. But this is the thing though. We, even though we close bullish, the sales don't look too bad. But let me see. Yeah. The sales don't look too bad, but before we take sales, we're gonna need to see a breakout. You see in the past, price was able to tap like this level chat. We push up, we break out, we tap this level. So it's like before me look for sales chat, I would look for sales below like I would look for sales below 42, 33, this level. I would look for sales below this level. But before I do that, I'm going to need to see a top wick. So if this hourly candle can flip bullish, re-break the previous hourly candle highs and push up towards 42.50, like this level right here, chat will get rejection from in the past. If we can tap this level, this can go push up, and then we reject, flip back bearish, re-break its lows, then the sales going down would be decent. I look for sales going down towards 42.20, this level right there. But before we take sales, we need a top wick though. We could probably mirror this move right here. We just need something like that. So let's see if this candle can print a top wick chart sealer or something up there. So it's the same thing though. Price never really, let me see. Yeah. That's the level we top. Just expect like a look at a re-break chart. Like price never really push down from like this level right here. We always like break the highs. We break the highs first. As you can see right here, so we break the highs. Sealer. Same thing happened right as a chat. Price was able to break the highs. Look right here, so we break the highs and then we push down. So yeah, that's why I'm want to see something in at these levels, something up towards this level minimum. And once we get that, price flip bearish, re-break its lows, the sales going down would be decent. We have level going down towards 25, 40, 25, 42, 25, sorry. But yeah, that may wait on chat. You see me? So we just have to play a waiting game. We have ideas for both buy and sells. Say chat. I will see if this candle can actually push up fill the range. And remember, we said we want to look at re-break. We need to see the highs get break. Once price break the highs, flip back bearish. If we get any closures below like 42, 32, then the sales going down towards 30 will be decent. Let me see how much this. So at 22. If you go break even right, that's on hold towards 42.29. That's like 34. That'll be decent. Oh, yeah, man, gonna like we don't before. You have to make it on your own, but for sure. Oh, my like so we're born in riches. And chat, as I'm say, we have like couple red folder at 10 a.m. So go and go move. We just have to be patient. We have like what, 55 minutes. Then we have news. So if goal no move right now, we just have to just give time. Like once the red folder found out, goal I go get super volatile. We expect that. But I say right now we're volatile in a chat, cause bro, this small range of goal fill right now is 100 pips, bro. That small range there. Goal range massive. Even if we take a trade within the range gem, this range itself are like 500 pips. From like 80 no, from like 42.38 down towards 41.85. But chat, hopefully you understand like what we are waiting for though. I'm gonna go over it one more time if I never get it. Basically, see the cells them. If we're going to take cells chat, we look to take cells below the previous candle low. No, the current candle low at 42.34. We look to take cells below this level chat. Let me show you again. Yeah, cells below 32 go down towards right, that's all. Yeah, 26, 42.26. But before we take cells, before we try to take advantage of this range check, we're going to need liquidity. We're going to need a top wick. So that's the reason why I haven't gone cells as yet. I'm waiting to see if this 15-minute candle push up, break the highs. After we break the highs, for whatever reason, we reject. After we grab liquidity, we reject. Candle flip bearish again. Push down, re-break its lows, and we get like a small closure below, like off the minute or the 5-minute time frame. Then I'll look for sales going down towards the range fill. After price grab liquidity and close back below the range. So that's the idea for the sales. We have buy ideas as well. The idea for the buys, we're gonna need to see like some breakout. So let me show you. Let me remove some of the lines here. So chat, if I'm going to take buys, would I need to say like some breakouts, you see me? And would I have a breakout, would I avoid buys, no buys above 39, no buys above 42, 44 either, because this is still a rejection level chat. Seeing at the past, price was able to tap this level. We reject from this level as well. You see this candle we reject, and then we push up towards this level and we still reject. So yeah, we would look for no buys above let me see the exact level. No buys above 42, 42 either. Would I wait for another breakout? Price would have to break this level and close above. Let me see which closure above would I be decent. $56. Alright. So chat, a closure above 54. Well, I'm gonna delete that yellow line here, bro. Yeah, a closure above 54 would that be decent. Or anything above 47, I would have be decent. But if we look for buys above 47, we would hold towards 61 though. We would most likely hold towards 50, 42, 50. Or we could even put it on the high. That's like a 40 pip range going up. And would if we forget a closure above, would I still need to see a low chat? Right, so I still have to print a low down towards this level minimum, because you see we have like a support level right here. So if price close above, push down, tap this level, and then re-break its highs, then would I enter buys. And would I look the price push up towards 42.52.08. So I'm put another line right here, and that would be the retest at the highs as well. Decent. Look chat, same thing. Seeing at the past, cause historical data actually work in a chat like this. It actually work, bro. Look, seeing at past, price tap this level and then we fill the range. We push up and we fill the range. So this is like a clean range, like from 52 down towards 47. It's like a clean range. Same thing with tap. After we tap this level, fill the range. Tap this level, fill the range. Sometimes price break. But yeah chat, this can go close above, and after we close above we push up and fill the range. So this is like a clean range going up. After we tap 42 yeah 42, what I can't even see, I'm gonna zoom in. 42 45.35 chat. Once we tap that level we're good. So we'll go back at current price. Same thing more obviously. I may say yeah, would I retest this level? Like if price should close above, push back down, basically like once we retest this level we should be straight. Yeah. I'm draw with my weight point now. So this candle open up, we push down first, print a high, then we reject. More of you see this candle, well we rebreak the previous candle highs chart, good. But yeah, we want to see like this candle push up towards 41. If we can tap 42, 41 and then reject chart, we would look for sells. Once we get a closure back below 42, 32, we would look for sells below this level. But if we don't reject and price actually continue up, push up towards 45, we would still expect some rejection at 45 again. But if price don't reject and we break 45, push up towards 42.74, not 74, 42, Bro, it's like I'm a freaking blind dog. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom this in. $42, 47.79. Yeah, if we tap this level chat, 42, 47.79. More surprised to something like this. Like I need glasses. Once the price push down towards 45, because remember I'm saying after we close above, price was able to tap 45 and then we fill the range. So once we get a closure above chat, another rejection, once price tap 45, then I put buy stop at the rebreak at the highs. So if price push up, rebreak its highs right here, that would I get activated and would I basically expect a range fill, as this was like a clean range, easy range to fill. So that would have been the idea for the buy. So much lows, but them all make sense though. You see me? And we'd have to just wait for closures above a certain range. Hopefully you understand that chat and you never too confusing, is it? What the fuck? Like my chat a lot. Kinda crazy. Moment of freaking look like we break the lows after we break the highs. Decent. Remember this was a weird one, but the only difference was I expect a little steeper top wick chart. We print the high right as a, but I expect it just a little bit steeper. Just like this in I pass, or even this right here, so. But yeah, we came close. That might still be enough. That might be enough, chat. Cause we re-break the previous candle high, so that might be enough. But we'll wait and see though if we can actually get a closure below the range. I see me soon, I'm a friend. God no. The sunshine over me, they're just dark clouds. Hold on, chat. Me just make a slight adjustment. As I say, based off of how price print we usually adjust. So it's like we have some new levels or could look for buys above. I'm gonna just mark them up. Yo, chat, give me like 2 seconds, chat. Me a fault. If anything fi happen to me, I gonna happen to me. Cause God not sleep on your boy those stupid out there, me I saw everybody do me. Nah sleep. See some people switch up on my rate. Yeah, me know the real, me know the fake. Just small talk, I am who make damage. get a good smile from me, lose my brother or my cousin. Enough time and feel for you, but we never stop try. Never baptize. Be myself and them a push fight. But I'm not gonna lie, like your price action look clean, bro. Just be patient. Once we get a closure below, another top wick sells them would be decent. But we need a closure below first though. Everything look good so far still. We printing structure. Everything look nice. We just need to keep doing what it's doing. Let me see by the way, this range kinda look away. It's our 26. It's our 30. Once price top, we go break even. Once price top 42.26.89. Could go break even right there, so. But yeah. I need a closure below first though, chat. They might chop both of them, they might chop small. Nice. So chat, you notice how we top 28? We never get no closure below. We just top 28 and then we reject. So look, see this rejection good, bro, but who ways this can go? See, this can just be another high chart. If this can go flip bearish, rebreak its lows, the sales going down would be decent. But if not, and we actually get a closure above chart, next can go print a bottom wick and flip bullish. Like, don't be surprised, we could get some buys as well, cause the buys look good too. But it just depends on how the candle close. We got 8 minutes left. It depends on like the closure, cause if we close back above, we're good for get buys. And if this is just a top wick and we're going to flip bearish, push back down, then yeah, this is just another high. And once candle rebreak its lows, we should be able to fill the range. So yeah. And chat, if I'm going to play a sell stop, most likely like it's going to be quick. I try to tell you from early still. I know it's stream have some delay. Got 2 minutes until this can go close. Not all the things I kind of like the questions I used to want to close cash and see my way. Bro, me hung up on the road, you know, me have something to deal with, but So me stream, me now move. See you later. Enough fight all in the road, but never switch eyes. You have to fight a fight today, that the right way. This can go very indecisive, bro. Whoa, look like we get a closure above. Let me see some. Right. The rebreaker, the high, this would have be the range fail. This would have be risk free. But would have to close above, print another low, then rebreak its size. I'm say 3 minutes left until everybody close. This hourly candle can also still flip bullish if we should close like that, respecting 33. If we close respecting 33, can still definitely flip bullish on the hourly. Let me see something. That 14. Left that right there, so. Let's get re-break. That was so quick. Makes sense though. Hourly candle flip. Most likely, I already know. Already know. Enough patrol in the road, but never switch, I say. Chat, most likely gonna get some buys in a chat, but I just wait for a closure above, like, a closure above 37, 42, 42, 37. I'm gonna look for buys above there to go up towards 42, 40. So we close and we push up first. Can we tap this level? If we can push up towards 37, that would be decent. And then we reject. As if we did push up towards this level, chat. If we did print a high right here and then reject, whenever price push up for re-rate that high, it would just be clean range going up. But since we never do that, now if this can go for re-break its highs, we have a resistance right here. So that's why I know if we did just tap this level first and then reject, that would have been even better. Alright, chat. So we're getting close. Most likely going to get an entry soon. Let me see if this 1 minute candle can actually reject first. That would have a decent 2 minutes until we close. We're gonna need some rejection for this candle. If not, I'm gonna just push straight up, then a GG's. Alright, look like a GG so far, bro. Volume delay, fuck, bro. Goal now, player once we tap this level, just straight push up. Alright, chat. Now that we feel that range, if you ask me, we still got range going up though. Wait, this is the high we should get top. What did I expect to get top to? Mm-hmm. Chat, this 5 minute can go. We're going to close in the next minute. Yeah. Basically, me just wait to see if this 5 minute can go can close above the range. And the next 5 minute can go like, we look for buys and the next 5 minute can go to fill the range. But if this can just fill the range itself without a closure above, then we just get some new levels marked up. But yeah, got 10 minutes left for this too. Let me see if this can go actually. Alright, so the 5 minute can go close above chart and fill the range first, yeah. So I'm gonna have to like remove this, get some new levels as we fill the range. We still got more range going up though, but we're gonna need to see like some rejection first before we continue before we look for buys. That our 32, so that would be decent. This right, so but I need to see price reject on top at least like 42.33. That would be good. Let me see from the rebreak at the high. That's like 15, 20, 37. Yeah, chat. You see this Kangler basically, this Kangler reject that good chat, cause I that matter say even if we're gonna continue look for buys, we're gonna need to see some rejection first, like some lows. Yeah. If price are gonna push up and we're gonna enter buys, we need to have structure on the way up. So this Kangler reject right now, that actually good. Once if we can reject and rebreak the highs. Yeah. And if we manage to rebreak the highs fast, we have to put like buy stop on the rebreak of the highs stop, so that be on the lows at 27. Yeah, 42.27, 170 pips. So that'll be definitely a breakout too. 1 minute left. I chat. I'm gonna place buy stop on this 5 minute candle high, but would have to rebreak the highs within this 5 minute candle chat. If this 5 minute candle gonna rebreak the highs, then would I delete buy stop. So I have buy stop and the rebreak of this 5 minute candle highs. Let me tell you the exact level. 42, 45.62. That's where I got buy stop chat. Rebreak of the 5 minute candle highs, but would have to rebreak the highs like now. If not, then I delete buy stop and wait for the next candle chat. Would have to like get a quick pop. If not, I can't stay in. I can't keep buy stop. We have like 30 seconds left, chat. Can we get activated in 30 seconds? And as I said, chat, if we not get activated, I delete buy stop. We're almost there. Almost there. Alright, chat, we get basically I get activated, chat. Just check and it's like most likely slipperidge. But yeah, price did push up. We never rebreak the highs, but we forward close and price may get activated once price forward close. But that's the trade I got into, chat. Basically, we got 4 minutes until this 15 can go close. So if this 15-minute candle can close bullish, that would be decent. We got 4 minutes. Yeah. Hopefully I understand the idea behind the trade though. 30-minute candle above for close as well. We never completely rebreak the highs. We just get activated like it spreads. It's all good though. Overall idea. But still the trade like I'm put this over to you, right? The overall idea is still there though, chat. Yeah, stops is on the 4-hour candle lows as well. If this 4-hour candle rebreak its lows, that would be stops, chat. I think that's like 170. Yeah. Let me get the exact level. Hold on. Yeah, stops is at 42.27.99. That's where I got my stop loss. Yeah. What a rejection though. 30 pip rejection. They don't know how far I'm coming from. Oh my god, I've been hungry before. But from the bottom of my god for the riches. More counted. Got 2 minutes, chat. We have to basically wait until this candle close. If we get a bullish closure above 42.33, that would be decent. Oh, that's what just we get a rough life. So work hard, don't have a bad mind. Look at hard work, give me nobody no kind so. But yeah, chat, me already enter the trade chat right now. I just wait for see how this is going to play out so I can call it a day. You see me? And I have somewhere to be at. So we close bullish above. We never close above 43 areas though. We just close above this structure we have right here, so to the left. So yeah, chat, we're still good for push up. But even if we're gonna push up, we're gonna need to see this can go print a low first. Once we print a low, flip bullish, rebreak its highs, and the rebreak of the highs, we should be able to push up towards my entry. And if we break the previous candle highs, then we should be able to continue further up. But let's see. I expect a steeper low than this though, chat. I would expect a steeper low than this, but this might be enough, I'm not sure. Let me see what price I reject from. Oh, a 60 pip drawdown. Yeah. But chat, we still got 20 minutes left in this candle. We could print a low. As long as I said, I expect a steeper low. But now that we print a steeper low, if we did top 36, that would be ideal. But let's see if this candle can actually flip bullish now that we print a low. If we can flip bullish, re-break its highs, we're still good. Got 20 minutes left though until the candle actually close. It's just all about how the candle close, chat. We haven't got a bearish closure below as yet. Price just pushing bearish, but we're not closed below as yet. So we're gonna wait and see. This 1 minute candle close below, close weak bearish. Can this minute candle close back above? We got 1 minute until this 5 close. I'm gonna wait and see how we actually close on like the 5 minute time frame. Bro, stop bug out now. I make this a mousa. If we re-break if price re-break the current low, would I expect like another low? We could definitely push all the way down towards 42.33. Yeah, before we get any other type of rejection. And if we break below this, then we could have start manage risk. Yeah. Make that blue. So only can go flipping bearish, that's trend shift. But yeah. Flip bearish, push back up. I look for my address. But I look for my address once we like top 40, 43 chat. You see me? Price rebreak is slow as we push down towards 43. Then I gotta see. But me I show them. You I gotta see everything. Like if me I gotta adjust stops, me I make I know. If me do adjust stops, you know I gonna know. But yeah, this can go open up. We didn't even push up towards 45, but more than expect this can go for push up towards 45 first. We would have need a low first, but it's I think chat. We have a level, we have a level right here. Price re-break that low, so most likely we're gonna print a steeper low down towards 32. So let's see if price can actually hold this level or not. If price push down, reject, if we tap this level and then we reject, you see me adjust stops towards the current candle lows. But we'd have to tap this level first. Cause would I expect once we tap this level chat, this hourly candle should be able to flip bullish once we tap 42.32. So that's the reason why I put my stops on the hourly candle lows. Cause that's the low. Like I would expect like once we tap this level we should flip bullish, and if price re-break its lows, then we're going to most likely continue down further. So that's why I would adjust. But until then though, when I tap as yet, we came close. Well, let's see. Down like 70 pips right now. Oh, bro. Anybody big? 5 minute can go open up, push up first. Is this going to be a fake out or this going to be a top wick? And this candle flip bearish and we fill the previous candle wick. We just have to wait and see, chat. That's the only thing we can do. You see me? Flip bearish, alright. Got 3 minutes left. Flip bearish, print a low. We'll see if this can go and close bearish below the range, or if we can get a bullish closure respecting, or even a bullish closure above. Still got 3 minutes, so most likely it's 15 where I close bearish if that happen. That was a nice top wick off of the 5 though, I can't lie. Anybody beat bomb, you can look like that. Can this only can go flip bullish chat? I think we try to flip bullish like once and we failed. So now we're pushing up. We're trying again for the second time. So let's see if we can flip bullish and this push. Or if price gonna just re-break its lows like we do before. Real talk. Bro. Yeah, my foot a creep down. Bro, how much draw doing we now? I think me enter this a trade about like 15 minutes now or so. Yeah. See. 50 pips drawdown, chat. This candle closed bearish, slightly below. Let me see. Yeah. But even if, would I need to see another low on this 5-minute candle, chat? This 5-minute candle, like, if it can print a lower down towards, like, if we can print a lower down towards 42.38 and then flip bullish, re-break its highs, then would I expect this this candle to now push up. But even if we're gonna push up, chat, this candle gonna need a low first. So that's why I'm gonna say would I need to see this candle push down towards 38, 42.38, or right, yes sir, 42.37. As that, if that will happen, this candle flip bullish, re-break its highs, then we're decent. So we tap 38. Can this candle flip bullish? Let's just see, chat. We not draw down, but we just have to follow the plan. We already entered the trade. There's nothing else we can do but just wait and see how it play out. Win or lose, chat. I just GG's. You feel me? Just forward back tomorrow and do the same thing. But yeah. So yeah, we tap 40. We tap see, chat, we tap the level, and after we tap the level, now the candle flip bullish. So can we re-break the high, and most importantly get a closure above? Cause we pushing bullish not really mean nothing, chat, until we get a closure above. So if we can get even a closure above this level, that would be decent. That's like the first step. Yeah, let me chat. So we just have to wait and see. Must draw down, 40 pip draw down. Bro, me have so much for going in the dog. Whenever I know I'm in a draw down trade. Would I expect this trade to play out? But I say I still like in a control draw down and then thing like. Only thing I can do, chat, I just follow the plan. That's all I can do. Trade with less emotion and just follow the plan. You see me? And this candle actually flip bullish and re-break its highs and do it properly? Cause if we just keep on a struggle, chat, if this candle flip bullish, flip bearish, flip bullish again, flip bearish again, yeah, that might be bad. Because we already print a low. This low, I would expect this should be strong enough for this candle actually flip bearish, re-break its highs, and will fill the range. So if we struggle for flip bullish and re-break the highs, probably we're going need a steeper low. So that's why I want to see this candle actually, like, I don't want to see it hover. I want to see it just do like flip bearish. As if it hover, we're probably going to need a steeper low. Let's see though. This 5-minute candle close in 20 seconds. Can we get a bullish closure above the range goal? Battery all are dead. Our time 10:19. What the daily candle look like? Enough patrolling on the road, but never switch I say. If you fight today, tell that the right way. I'm put them up on the charge, by the way. From we barely have no shoes from the roof a leak. I can't forget to do paper on over street. Yo chat, may I find my charger? Hold on. What? We're back at break even. Price action makes sense though. That's all I can say.
Some people
Like
just don't
chat.
get it. That Squarespace
We're not
isn't
back
just
at
for
break even
websites.
by
You
accident.
can get a
Price
domain
action
from
makes
Squarespace
sense,
too.
bro. Trust me.
Kind of like how your parents don't get how you make a living off your art, but you do.
Let me see.
And with a domain like xessentialglitter.com
Let me
and a
see, by the way.
website from
I'll see.
Squarespace,
We got
you
8
can build a
minutes.
brand for
I
yourself,
believe that
grow
focus.
your client list, and continue to confuse your parents all in one place. Get yours before it's gone with offer code MAKEITREAL for 10% off your
like
domain
the
or website.
ads and dog. Lift up now. Freaking ads. Alright, chat. So let me see. We got 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes until this candle close. Can we get a bullish closure above the range? Or this candle won't close bullish above the range? Let's see. We're not good yet in a chat. We're not good yet. This candle can still reject, because we still haven't gotten a closure above us yet. Yeah, we're bullish. Yeah, we're back in profit. Well, we're back in profit again. But it's only the minute candle that close above. That good. But like once we start get like the 5-minute closure above, you know, then we can say, yeah, the next 5-minute candle, even if we're gonna push down on the next 5-minute candle, you would expect it print a high first. So if the next 5-minute candle open up, push up, print a high first, we could get out the trade, could close full, and then it flips. So yeah, we just need a closure. We got a minute and 50 seconds. And if we fill the range before a closure chat, my closing full. Once we fill the range. Six minutes left. So chat, once we tap 42, 49, I'm closing full chat. So yeah, stream might have delay. So but once we tap this, I'm closing full. You can close half, you can put stop loss to break even, do whatever, but me, I'm closing full once if price tap this level. I'm not break even as yet either, chat. I'm waiting on like this closure. We got a closure in 10 seconds. If we close above the range, next candle push down, print a low, and then flip bullish, then would I put stop loss to break even. So we'll close respecting. Chat. Let me see if this candle can push up. Well, print a low first. After we print a low, if this candle manage to push up, then would I look for go break even. I'll wait and see though. We got what? 4 minutes until this 15 candle close. Imagine this 15 flip bearish in 4 minutes, bro. That would be crazy. We not even call it, bro. We not even call it. Bro, this trade, I feel like me on this trade for so long now, chat. I just want to get out. But I have to just wait. But believe me, bro, I can't wait for done stream. I have something else to do. Alright, chat, so now we flip bullish. We got 2 minutes until this 15 close. Can we re-break the highs? Hold on, chat. I'm not break even as yet. Can this candle re-break the highs? That would be decent. It's only 10 pips. We haven't closed yet. This candle close in a 20 second. Once we get a closure, another mini wick, the candle flip. Risk free. Still got 2 minutes. I just want to wait on this 15 chat. I just need to see this 15 close above. Because even the next 15 minute candle might need a bottom wick. That's why I'm not risk free as yet. And look, the next 15 minute candle we might print a bottom wick and tap this level. And this is where my entry is at. So that's why I'm not risk free as yet. If this candle can close bullish above in 1 minute, the next candle open up, push down first, tap this level, then flip bullish, then I would go risk free. And if that don't happen, I would just fill the range now. That would be even better. Gold can just fill the range now. We got a minute left until we close though. What the fuck is going on, bro? Ooh. This price just a hover dog. I like that. There we go. Finally pop. Finally pop. And chat, look. You see, if this candle close, we still got 50 seconds though. Yeah, let me just wait. I remember the stream of delay, so I'm telling a friend right now. Chat, if this candle close above and the next candle push up first, I'm going to close full. If this bullish candle, if we close above this level, the next candle open up and pop first, I'm closing full, chat, before the candle even flip back. Once the next candle open up, matter of fact, one more pop, we almost there. My bad, excuse me. Alright, chat, I'm closing full right there, chat. Nice, closing full right there. We basically fill the range. I'll close full as soon as price tap this yellow line, chat, and my MT5. But that was the trade, chat. That was the trade. We had some drawdown, but it's okay. The overall idea still play out, and not only that, this just help you to trust your analysis more, chat. You know, amount of trust, like you have to just have trust, bro. We enter your weekend tree. It was a rebreak at the high. And chat, if you're not exit, you can make sure you put stops to break even minimum, bro. As me know, I'm more sound on like 1 to 1 and 1 to 2. But if you're going to go for that, even though I'm out, I'm not in this trade. But if you want hold, you can just make sure you break even minimum, just risk free the trade. So now you don't have no risk on the table. But that was a 30 pip win, chat. That was 30 pips. Yeah, we had some drawdown. We had 100 pip drawdown on this trade. 100 pip, 115. But the levels actually make sense. The price action makes sense. So that's the reason why my stops never got hit, chat. Cause we have levels on the way. Let me show you. Think with entry. Yeah, let me show you, chat. Our entry was on this yellow line right here. This was our entry. We had some drawdown, price push down. I think price push down towards right here. But let me make sure. Yeah. Price push down towards this, and then we re-break and then we push down towards 32 areas, almost top 32. But this I would have said, like, this was the idea behind gold pushing back up, chat. Cause look, every time our entry was right here, right? I did not expect price to push up and fill the range, but price never did that. Price reject, and I said we have a level at 38. In the past, price was able to reject from 40 to 38, this level. So current price reject, we break past this level. We never push back up towards my entry. So that's more drawdown. I went into some more drawdown. We top 36. Price break 36. More drawdown. We top 33. But look, chat, you see this? We have this over here. So last time price top 33 was able to push all the way back up. Top 33, yeah, we kind of break it a little bit, but you get the same idea. We tap this level, push straight back up. Same thing right here. We break it, price push up. So it's like, if you look at current price, that's like the older thing. Let me show you. That's like the idea behind gold pushing back up, chat. Yeah. Entry right here. We get entry right here. Price push down, tap this level. I was expecting some rejection, but price never reject. We break that. We tap this level. I was expecting rejection at 36 as well. Price push down, top 33, and then we close bearish respecting. After we get a bearish respecting, I said even if this new 15 minute candle going to push up, we're going to need a low first. So I was expecting more drawdown right there again, and candle print a low, top 36. Reason why we never push all the way down, because the previous candle already do that. This bearish candle, we already top 32, so this candle now we top 36, flip bullish and fill the range. So yeah, that was the idea, chat. Like, just straight price action, historical data. Yeah. Hopefully you understand the idea behind the trade, and if you put stops to break even, you would definitely survive up crazy right now. But yeah, chat, finally I can move on with my day, bro. No joke. But chat, you understand the idea behind the trade, cause that's the most important thing. The idea behind the trade. So let me know if you understand it. And you can leave a like on the stream too, so YouTube can like show about the stream to more people. I must say something. Nice. That trade was a crazy trade though, chat, but the price action just clean, bro. Even though we not drawdown, we never make no emotional decision, bro. We understand, say, yo, we have levels where price could tap and push all the way back up. Cause historical data show with that. And yeah, we just stay. We just stick with the plan, chat, and it end up play out in a long run. You see me? But yeah, that's it for today's stream, by the way. What the fuck? Let me journal. My brain, like, I just want to lift up. I'm a journal before I lift up. What time we take this trade? We take this trade 9:45. We had 100 pip drawdown. and we make 30 pips off of this trade. Yeah, I'm gonna journal that real quick, chat. But we end off the week. We end off the week good though, chat. We start the week rough, but we still manage to end it off strong. Not in profit, but we never end off the week just stuck in losses. I think we lose Monday and Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we get 30 pips back to back. 9:45 though. As I'm telling the chat, we just I try to be consistent. See if we be consistent for a long period of time, then we should be able to recover this L. You see me, chat? That's how I usually do it. People ask me, why you trade, why your risk so big, why your stop loss so big? When you lose, you're not gonna be able to make it back. Like, bro, I already know that, bro. Like, if I lose one trade, I usually make back everything when I lose, cause my trading a negative risk to reward. But me not try to make back my losses. I try to be consistent, chat. That's my goal. That was a breakout. The entry was off of what, 15? Yeah. Entry was, no, it was off of 5. Yeah. Wait, at the 15 or 5? I think at the 5. Yeah, this 5 make can go re-break its highs. And we get entry. We never even re-break the highs. We fall close on its spreads. We just get activated because price fall close. So yeah, that was after 5. That was another W. That was 30 pips. I'll make that green. And the drawdown was 100. The drawdown was 100 pip. Pineapple, we had no pineapples. And I'm bullish or bearish for the day. What's the daily bias, chat? Yeah, super bullish. That's a dumbass question, bro. Today bullish as fuck. Alright. 30 so. Boom. And there we go. Alright, chat. So yeah, that's it for the week. 2 L's and 3 wins. Yes, in my chat. We still haven't made back like the loss we take. We haven't made it back as yet. But chat, the goal is not to like make back the losses. The goal is to stay consistent. Look at this. Wins. Bear wins. That's the goal, chat. Like, once we just stay consistent, the losses will just erase itself. Look, this is a journal from like April. You see, we take L and we just stay consistent, and eventually all like L's them like disappear. Like, we're not in drawdown anymore. Same thing, we start off 3 losses right here. This was January 2024. 3 losses, and then we just stay consistent and was able to like recover. So that I think, chat, I'm not chase my losses. I just try to stay consistent, bro. So 3 wins, I would say this builds back the momentum, if that's how you pronounce it. Momentum. This builds back the mental momentum, chat. So we're not on a losing streak anymore, you know. So yeah, we're just gonna come back Monday and try to end the whole entire week strong. That would be crazy. 5 days. But yeah, chat, that is it for the week, chat. You see me? We'll be back on Monday, same time, same place. And remember, chat, we don't chase losses. We just collect data, adjust, and try to be as precise as possible. Consistency. And once we be consistent, the losses is just going lost in like bare wins. This L going just lost in bare wins, chat. But yeah, me soon tomorrow though. This was a W trade, and if you hold this trade, you're up crazy right now. If you put stops to break even and hold this. But yeah, chat, we soon tomorrow, chat. Love and respect to everybody who followed out and stream. and you can just leave a like on your way out so YouTube can promote the stream to more people. But that is it for right now, chat. You see me? And remember, chat, consistency, bro. That's how we do it over here. But yeah, in our late chat, me soon Monday.